Hello pasta lovers, welcome to Taste and Trivia. In today's video, Pasta Trivia Quiz Challenge, you'll have 35 questions with 8 seconds per question to choose the correct answer. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next quiz challenge. Ready? Let's get started. Which pasta is shaped like long, thin strands? Spaghetti. It's one of the world's most popular pasta shapes. Which pasta is shaped like small tubes with angled ends? Penne. It's a tube-shaped pasta with angled ends. Which pasta is shaped like little bows? Farfalle. Its bow tie shape makes it easy to recognize. Which pasta is shaped like corkscrews? Fusilli. Its spiral shape holds sauce well. Which pasta is stuffed with cheese or meat? Ravioli. It's a stuffed pasta with delicious fillings. Which pasta is commonly used in macaroni and cheese? Elbow macaroni. It's the classic choice for mac and cheese. Which pasta is made into wide, flat sheets? Lasagna. It's layered with sauce, cheese, and fillings. Which pasta is wider than spaghetti but narrower than fettuccine? Linguine. It's perfect for seafood and pesto dishes. Which tiny pasta is shaped like grains of rice? Orzo. It looks like rice, but it's actually pasta. Which pasta is shaped like large tubes with ridges? Rigatoni. Its ridges help hold thick sauces. Which pasta is traditionally served with Alfredo sauce? Fettuccine. Fettuccine Alfredo is a classic Italian dish. Which pasta is shaped like tiny rings? Anelli. These small rings are popular in soups. Which pasta is shaped like small ears? Orecchiette. Its name means little ears in Italian. Which pasta is commonly baked in casseroles? Ziti. It's often used in baked pasta dishes. Which pasta is the thinnest long pasta? Angel hair. It's much thinner than spaghetti. Which pasta has a hole running through the center? Bucatini. It looks like thick spaghetti with a hollow center. Which pasta is shaped like tiny shells? Conchili. The shell shape is perfect for holding sauce. Which pasta is commonly filled with meat and folded into a ring? Tortellini. It's a ring-shaped stuffed pasta. Which pasta is shaped like large tubes for stuffing? Cannelloni. It's designed to be stuffed before baking. Which pasta is commonly served with seafood because of its flat shape? Linguine. It's a popular choice for seafood pasta dishes. Which pasta is shaped like tiny stars and often used in soup? Stelline. These tiny star-shaped pasta pieces are popular in soups. Which pasta is shaped like tiny round balls? Acini di pepe. These tiny pasta balls are often used in soups and salads. Which pasta is shaped like small rolled tubes? Cavatelli. This small rolled pasta is common in southern Italy. Which pasta is spiral-shaped with a hollow center? Cavatappi. Its corkscrew shape is perfect for creamy sauces. Which pasta is shaped like tiny seeds? Frigola. This toasted pasta from Sardinia resembles tiny seeds. Which pasta is commonly used in pasta e fagioli soup? Ditalini. These small tubes are perfect for hearty soups. Which pasta is shaped like small hats? Cappelletti. Its name means little hats in Italian. Which pasta is shaped like tiny squares and served in broth? Quadretti. They're often added to clear soups. Which pasta is shaped like little pearls? Pearl couscous. It is also known as Israeli couscous. Which pasta is shaped like twisted ribbons? Mafaldine. It has beautiful wavy edges like ribbons. Which pasta has wavy edges and is named after an Italian princess? Mafaldine. It's named after Princess Mafalda of Italy. Which pasta is shaped like tiny grains and often served to children? Pastina. It's one of the smallest types of pasta. Which pasta is commonly stuffed with spinach and ricotta? Cannelloni. It's often filled with spinach and ricotta cheese. Which pasta is commonly used in classic pasta primavera? Penne. It pairs well with fresh vegetables in pasta primavera. Which pasta is often served with pesto genovese? Trophy. This twisted pasta is traditionally served with pesto genovese. How many questions did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching Taste and Trivia. We'll see you in the next quiz challenge.